Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. We've been working with positive and negative integers, and now we're asked to graph each integer and its opposite on a number line. So we have positive 4 here. Remember, we know this is a positive number because there's no symbol in front of it, meaning there's no negative sign or positive sign to the left of it, in front of it, therefore we treat it as a positive number. So to graph this value 4 on the number line, I'm going to start at 0. We always start at 0 on the number line. I'm going to pick up a pen real quick. And now let's start at 0. We're going to move to the right 4 units. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3, and 4 units to the right. And I would label this point with the closed circle here. Okay, let's go back to 0 now, because I have to label the opposite value, and we always start at 0. So starting at 0, instead of moving to the right this time, we're going to move in the opposite direction to the left. I'm going to move -1, -2, -3, and -4 units. And we can fill in this point. So positive 4 was the integer we graphed, and its opposite -4. Cool stuff. Let's look at another. This time we're asked to graph -2. So let's start at 0. I'm going to move 2 units to the left, -1, -2, and label that on my number line. Now I need to label its opposite. Well, if -2 is the first integer that I've graphed, the opposite has to be in the opposite direction. So instead of moving to the left, I'm going to move in the other direction, 2 units to the right, and here is my other value, +2. Notice that -2 and +2 are the same amount of units away from 0. So they're the same distance away from 0 on both ends. So now I'm going to graph +6. So we start at 0. I'm going to move 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Can plot our number here on the number line. And then I'm going to go back to 0 to graph the opposite. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So here's my opposite value. It's that simple.